Remember our childhood times when we used to look at the sky and dream about traveling in space? That is going to become reality in the future. Is it? Since the 1950s, we saw several achievements in space research like landing on the moon, spacewalking, etc. Shouldn't it be so advanced by now, like having some guest houses and party clubs to chill on the moon and Mars? But we haven't reached these milestones yet. There are many reasons for that, including decreased craze and interest in space research, enormous costs that occur for the research and development of space program, comparatively less competition in the industry leading to a little innovation in space exploration. But thanks to the new age entrepreneurs, space enthusiasts and billionaires like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos and Richard Branson, as they are investing in new space research programs and developing the technology to make space travel possible. Also, the existential crisis is arising due to exponential increase in population, pollution, natural disasters and pandemics, which is pushing futuristic thinkers to plan for multiplanetary living. We have seen a rise in private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic in recent years. These companies are trying to commercialize and make space travel and tourism possible in the near future. Recently, we have seen Richard Branson's team from the Virgin Group, including an Indian Telugu girl, travel to space in a specially designed vehicle Unity 22 by Virgin Galactic. The words he spoke from the space are really inspiring.
To all you kids down there, I was once a child with a dream, looking up to the stars. Now I'm an adult in a spaceship with lots of other wonderful adults looking down to our beautiful, beautiful Earth. To the next generation of dreamers, if we can do this, just imagine what you can do. Yay!
Just after that, the world's richest person, Jeff Bezos, and his crew went into the space in the New Shepard spacecraft, which was built by his own space research company, Blue Origin. If you look at the pricing, space travel is very costlier compared to the dreams which are free. The Virgin Galactic has priced its ticket around $250,000, which amounts to around 1.8 crore Indian rupees. Virgin Group received around 600 early reservations for the flight, including the celebrities like Justin Bieber and Leonardo DiCaprio. Also, Richard Branson is assuring that the price will come down as more and more people use it. Sooner in the future, we hope that we can see ourselves buying a ticket for an exciting and safe space travel with our family and friends for a weekend. Thanks for watching. Peace.